Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. Alexis here with Modesty. Well, here we are. We have daylight savings time, and it is March 14th, 2021. And even more than that, you are here for the reveal for the 500 subscriber giveaway. Wow, how to spit that one out. So anyway, if you're interested in seeing who that winner is, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you guys are well. Here we are, the day that we all been waiting for, and I do have a winner. But before I reveal who the winner is, I really wanted to talk to you guys and just tell you how appreciative I really am for all of the support that you guys gave me, each and every one of you. And I could not have made it to where I am today and where I will be tomorrow if it wasn't for your support. And I truly, truly appreciate it. And you know, if I could give something to all of you, I would. And you know, I mean, because you guys all deserve it. You guys all deserve it. And the only sad thing for me is that I can't do that right now. And so, but I am able to continue providing you with the content that's useful for you. And also continue to do these small giveaways, hidden or announced. And, you know, I will be doing more of them in the future. You guys know that. And matter of fact, I think I'll be kicking off another giveaway for that. Let me see, the Rose Gold Remastered Palette by Allure Beauty. And I think I promised you guys that. So I think that's going to come on board because now, after I announce this winner, we have no giveaway going, so I need to get another giveaway going. And so I think I'll go ahead and do that one as well, since I said I would. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you guys so very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my left ventricles. And you probably wonder, why do I say, you know, I just got to throw this in here because people have wondered, what does that have to do with anything? Well, the left ventricle, I'm going to give you a little bit of education. You know, Erin Alexis here, is that the left ventricle is the most important part of the heart, of the cardium. And the reason why is because without that left ventricle, the heart cannot survive. You cannot survive because that's where all of that push and all of that contraction comes from. And that's where it sends all the blood from, you know, to your body, to your organs, once it comes back through your pulmonary system, right? And so with that left ventricle, and that is the lowest part of the heart, is the left ventricle. So that's the very deep down bottom of my heart, truly. And so that's kind of sort of the reason why I say from my left ventricle, right? Because that is the most important part of my heart, and I thank you from that part of my heart. And so there you have it. And so thank you guys so very much, and thank you for subscribing to me, my beautiful wildflowers. Really, you guys make my day, and I really, 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 truly enjoy creating content. I never have those days where I'm like, I don't want to create content. I don't have those days because I know you guys depend on me to get something up there, and that gives me the additional energy I need to really get out there and do what I need to do and hold me accountable. Okay? So without further ado, guys, okay, and this is the winner. And so please watch this piece and you will see how I actually chose the winner. Okay? So stay tuned. Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. This is Alexis with Modesty. We are here at the YouTube Random Comment Picker, which can only mean that we are going to be choosing the winner of the 500 subscriber giveaway. And so I did go ahead and copy the link to the video already. And so I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. And next what we do is we scoot down a little bit and filter duplicate users so everybody gets one entry. And next is the filter comments based on a specific word. And the word that I asked for is love. And here it is. And so next, when I push this button, it's going to tell me how many people actually followed directions or entered. And so here we go. Wow, 72. That's actually an impressive number. I think that's the most that I've had on any of my giveaways. But then again, 500, it's a big one, right? And so, okay, let's move over here now. And I'm sorry about all the ads, but this is a free software, so you're gonna see ads everywhere. Nonetheless, it works just perfectly fine. So this is the button that I need to push in order to get the raffle started. Okay, so are you guys ready? Okie dokie, here we go. Brooklyn Girl. Okay, what does she have to say? Brooklyn Girl, congratulations on 500 plus subscribers. Pretty soon you'll have 1,000. Well, I hope so, Brooklyn Girl. The products keeps adding on. Wow, this is an extraordinary giveaway and I love it. Whoever wins will be the luckiest in the planet. Well, Brooklyn Girl, congratulations. With your own words, you said luckiest in the planet. So I'm now hoping that you show that you are subscribed to me, because I really want you to have this. And let's see, here we go. And channels. Yes, good. Okay, here we go. Now I need to look and see if she is subscribed to me. And here we go. Here we go, and let's see. Wow, okay, this may take a while. Okay, so let's see, looking through the screen, I hope I don't miss me here. You know, there is no rhyme or reason to this, and it's not like there is a what do you call it, alphabetical or anything like that, so it's going to yeah, take a while. Okay, I'm sure I'm in there somewhere. I just have to be patient. There I am. Okay, it is official. Brooklyn Girl, congratulations. And what I need you to do for me now is either contact me via Instagram messaging, or you can contact me via my email, which is in the descriptions box of my YouTube videos. It's at the very last thing, so you can scroll all the way down. And so that way you can send me your address so I can ship you your goodies. Again, Brooklyn Girl, congratulations. And those of you who entered may not have one, that's okay. You know, I'm always having giveaways, and I'm always having great giveaways. So there's always that 1,000 as well, which I'm planning on doing double of what I did for 500. So look forward to that as well. And maybe 750 if it's taking a little bit longer, so that way I can still, you know, give back to you guys. And so thank you so much for being with me. And Brooklyn Girl, I will speak to you real soon. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, and Brooklyn Girl, congratulations. And thank you so much for being a great follower like all the rest of y'all. And congratulations for winning. And it was kind of funny when I was reading your comment that said, you know, whoever wins this is the luckiest person on the planet. And as I saw that and I read that, I was thinking, okay, well, you're the lucky one on the planet today. So Brooklyn, sorry, I'm so excited for you. Brooklyn Girl, get in touch with me. I do have my email at the end of the description. Either you can email me, and I know you are on Instagram, so you can reach out to me via DM and send me your address so I can go ahead and get this stuff out to you, okay? And so, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added content, of course I added content. If I added any value, including humor, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you're watching this, you see the great fun we have here. And there'll be other giveaways. So please do consider subscribing and ring that bell button and select all so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, so just have a good day, have a good night, have a good week, have a good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.